Anong masasabi mo, Pai?
Nakuha na ako picture. Video pa lang.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up mga Karagon? Bali, pupunta. Nandito na pala kami ngayon sa Riyadh Gallery. Bali, kasama ko si Boss Jerry, si Boss Denver, at saka si Andre. Bali, sinama lang nila ako. Bibili daw sila dahil may nakasale daw. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga sapatos dito, kung ano ba talaga yung nakasale dito o hindi nakasale dito. Tara mga Karagon, sama kayo sa akin. Samahan nyo ako, ha.
Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God.
DJ Kuba, live in the mix.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want. You know I got it, baby. If you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I
We've
got
been
it.
together for a few years, shed a few tears, called each other nickname like Sugar Plum and Pooh Bear. I'm always on the road, hardly ever home, always busy this, busy that, can't talk on the phone. I know you aggravated, walk around frustrated, patience getting short, how longer can you tolerate it? Listen, Ma, I'm just motivated, I do this for us, stuck on the grind, trying to elevate it
Hey, yo,
now.
to really be honest, you stuck with me through my whole struggle. Can't even express through words how much the kid loves you. I'ma stand as a man, never above you. I could tell that you different from most, slightly approach you. And the ill shit about it, we don't sex every day. But when we sex, we tease in a passionate way. Love the way you touch it, those little elaborate ways. Got the guard feeling released to relax for the day. It's on you,
Baby,
ma.
if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you.
DJ Kuba, live in the mix.
Hit the roof on fire, man. Just let it burn. Come on, come on. When my junk get the bumping in the club, it's on. Hit the roof on fire, man. Just let it burn. Come on, come on. When my junk get the bumping in the club, it's on. Come on, go shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Go shorty. It's
What's up mga Karagon? Nandito kami ngayon sa Foot Locker. Bali, walang sale, wala bang sale dito? Wala sigurong sale. Tingin-tingin lang. Baka may magustuhan. Ikaw, Andrew, anong masasabi mo?
Marami ang gusto, walang pambili.
Marami kang gusto, walang pambili. Nako, yan ang mahirap dito eh. Marami kang gusto, walang pambili. Kaya dito lang muna tayo, tingin-tingin. Ayun yung dalawa namin kasama, nandun. Ikot din sila. Ito sana maganda mga Karagon, no? Ayan, oh. New Balance. 400, 500 siya. Ayan. Ang dami dito maganda. Kaso sa sobrang dami, wala kaming pambili. Ayan, oh. Ayun, oh, legit yan, oh. Ayun, oh. Ganda. Ayan, nakita ko si paring idol, oh. LeBron James, paring idol. Tignan natin yung price kung magkano. Ayan, oh, yung price niya, oh, mga Karagon. Ayan, 3,350 pala, 350. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, mga nasa 5,000 to.
It's your birthday. Go shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday.
Ika-birthday
You know
ka
we
ba?
don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need. If you need to fill the bars, I'm into having sex. I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama.
Ang bagay ba? Ayan, oh. Nabili ko. 129. So-convert mo siya sa Philippine money, mga nasa 1.5. 1.5 yan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ganda. Bagay.
Feel the buzz, I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, so it's drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you get plenty of groupie love. But homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, G's up, I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll
Ano masasabi mo, Pai?
Kung nakuha na ako picture. Video pa lang.
trees up, you watch how I move. Skating for a player pick. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, for sure, they tell you I'm local.
Mga karago, nandito kami sa American Eagle. Walang sale ngayon. Dito sa Riyadh Gallery. Wala siyang sale ngayon. Kala pa naman namin may sale ngayon, kaya pumunta kami dito. Wala naman palang sale.
When the plan is to put the rap game in the choke on, full of focus, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy and they ready to go. Yeah, club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the buzz.
Kamsin niya po na. Matulog sa taso. Parehas na ako yan.
Pressure din ko magkain din nga baka brekulod muna.
Sabi mo ano ko sa dalawang yun, nabugok.
Yung dalawang yun, pauwi na yung Pinas. Bugok na. Sprite na. Hindi lang yung ikamang yung Sprite.
Pati yung utak.
Kabran na, kabran.
Ayan o, bumili po si Boss Jerry Hollister. Magkano yan, boss? Magkano yung presyo yan? Ano yung presyo?
Mura lang yan.
Presyo. Ayan o. 115. Convert mo siya. 2,000. Usang ala. Tikas.
I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me.
Pang vice mayor na pormano. Utang ala. Tikas. Atin nyo lang ng binyag. Ka-Hollister lang. Tikas oh. Tapos nakapuma pang sapatos. Utang ina.
Baka umakan sa patos.
Tapos iiwan lang.
Me a hug if you're into getting rough. Go shorty, this is your birthday. We gon' party like this is your birthday. Go shorty, this is your birthday. We gon' party like this is your birthday. Go shorty, this is your birthday. We gon' party like this is your birthday.
Ayan mga kakagon, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog ko. May shoutout pala tayo na pinsan ko dyan sa Texas, sa US, si Ina Cortesano. Shoutout sa'yo kasi nag-request sa akin na shoutout ko daw siya. Tapos magsa-shoutout pa ako. Shoutout sa mga classmate ko dati dyan sa USI, dyan sa Bicol, Universidad de Santa Isabel. At shoutout din sa pamilya ko dyan sa Pilipinas, pamilyang Muran, Walwal. Yan ang pamilyang Muran. At shoutout sa asawa ko at sa mga anak ko. Namimiss ko na kayo mga anak. Malapit na. Ilang buwan na lang. Bibilangin. Nandiyan na ako sa Pilipinas. Kaya tiyaga lang tayo mga anak. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga karagon. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. At pindutin nyo na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa ulitin ulit mga karagon. Thank you. Karagon, pauwi na kami. Sasakyan na.
Pangahunta ka.
This is your birthday. We gon' party like this is your birthday.
Yo.
glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blind, yeah, bitch, I'm drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop basking. Listen to me, baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all niggas hot psych, I'm gassing. Clowns, I spot 'em and I